We urgently need to do something about my ratings. I want my popularity to only go up. I'm tired of these ups and downs. I need ideas that will bring guaranteed success. So, do you have any suggestions?
What's wrong with the old strategy?
It doesn't work. It's the first time my ratings are down so significantly. Some serious action needs to be taken.
Maybe a video with spinners?
Too old. No one's been interested in that for a long time.
Then what about Pop-It reviews, huh?
Well, no, that's too hackneyed. We need something original.
I know! What about jail?
Maybe I should just fire you.
But what have I done wrong?
You haven't done anything useful at all. I'll have to do everything myself as usual. I'll look for inspiration on the Troom Wow channel. Jail seems to be a popular topic right now. I think that's exactly what I was looking for. So, what should I do? Oh, so I can't go into a cafe with poppets and food and animals? I got a pretty good idea. I hope it works. Hello, mister. Would you sell me a brownie for a fake $10? I just don't have any real ones.
Are you serious? Of course, no! Take your useless piece of paper and go away.
But please!
No way! A visitor? Miss, I'm sorry, but you're not allowed in our cafe with that.
Am I breaking the laws? That's terrible!
Officer, take this lady away! Miss, I have to detain you.
You must be uncomfortable cuffing me, huh? Ooh, let me get my hands free! There! So, I'm going to jail now? What am I supposed to do with it?
You have to come with me too.
What? There's a mistake! No, it's not my fault!
You all say that. Here we are.
Sir, please let me go. You've got it all wrong. I'm in jail now. And what are you so happy about?
I'm busy, so sit quietly.
Anyway, here's the thing. I'm a popular video blogger, and I just want to have a good time here and get my social media activity up. I hope you'll help me with that.
Sure, no problem. I could buy a lot of donuts with this money. Hey, what about you?
Me?
Yeah?
Well, I don't have any money, but I found these great shoes at the thrift store.
Get your feet off the table!
Why is he so rude?
Don't you dare do that again, and there's a photo shoot waiting for you. Come to the wall and hold the sign in front of you.
Whatever you say. Like this?
Nice. Now turn around. Maybe start moonlighting as a photographer. Turn to the other side.
Something's wrong. I think I should experiment with outfits. Pink! That's not bad. I should try again. Ooh, that's something more interesting.
What? Hey, jump back.
Well, all right. We'll work with what we've got. Jane is good with the camera, and no wonder. She's a blogger after all. She's so capable of making even a prison photo shoot brighter.
That's a good one. You can go. Who's next?
That's how I stand, right?
No, turn towards me.
Whatever you say.
And your head must be more to the left.
Is that okay?
A little more. Yeah, a little further.
Enough?
Well, get out of the shoot. Just leave the sign.
Ugh, does everyone get photographed like that? Apparently not. It looks like a professional photo shoot. Everyone on the internet loved my new photos. I'm so happy. What did I do wrong? How did I get here? What are they up to? Did you bring it?
Yes, just like you wanted.
Thank you.
Anytime. I'll buy a new car soon.
Hey! Well, I'm off to a shoot. I'm in jail too. I got used to that for my popularity somehow. Oh, I got it there. And what's a homemade tripod without duct tape? That way, the smartphone won't fall for sure. Done. Except the seat doesn't light up. All right, I'm ready to go. Hello, viewers. I'm Rose, and today I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about life in prison. Oh, why is nobody watching my stream? What about Jane? Write a comment if you're waiting for a room tour of my prison cell. Tell me how to get the audience's attention. Just a second. Try this thing. A plaster? Thank you. Now I have a soft girl look, too. How do you like my style change? Hey, it's not working. Poofed! You need more cute details. Take it. Thanks again. Let's see what comes of this. I'm back. Well, how's it going? Oh, here are your first 3 viewers. Are you excited? Yeah. That's strange. My prison vlog got a few views. What's wrong with the video? So that's who's infecting me with this unpopularity. Officer Green! Come over here right away. I have a favor to ask. Replace my cellmate with someone more popular.
I can't do that. That's wrong.
Are you sure?
Oh, you know, I'll think of something.
I hope so. Na 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 na. Ow! What's going on?
Congratulations, you're free now.
You're not kidding? Yay! I'm so happy!
Just make it quick. Get used to it. You're gonna live here. Take it and say hello to your cellmate.
Who on earth is she?
Rose only has 17 subscribers and Michelle has 24. She's more popular.
Hey. I see. Fine, let her stay.
Then I'll go.
Is it like that in all prisons? Is everything ready?
Yeah, it'll go as it should. The camera's already on.
Great!
Don't worry, I'll take care of everything.
What was that strange sound? It disturbs my sleep. Gotta handle this. Oh!
Well, hello, Michelle.
Did I get into a costume party? I've gotta find my cellmate. Oh, so scary! I didn't have time to write a will. Oh, Michelle! Do you know what's going on? Something very creepy.
Shall we play?
No, I want to live. Hey, what are you doing? Whoa, cut. You don't have to scream like that. It's just our security guard.
I guess I got too deep into character.
We were just shooting a new TikTok video.
Sorry.
I was scared. You played your part perfectly. That's too much. What should I shoot to get more likes and views? Oh, I think I know the answer. Hello, my darlings. Today I'm gonna make fun of our security guard. He doesn't notice anything when he's counting the money.
New sports car, wait for me.
Ready? Here comes the prank. For the sake of popularity, Jane is willing to take any risk. Ha ha ha! Done! I wonder if the other inmates will like the new handcuffs.
Hey, Green! Are you stuck in there? It's been 10 minutes since lunch. So what? Ugh, he's such a troublemaker. I'm starving and that's your fault. I'm gonna sue you. Be quiet. Stop shouting or I'll handcuff you to the bars. What's that? Ha ha ha. Nice handcuffs, officer. How come?
I filmed everything. The prank was successful.
I'm not gonna let it go. I'm confiscating your smartphones. Every single one. Jane, the spare ones too.
You're welcome.
More.
I don't have any more smartphones. I swear on my TikTok account. All right, take them.
You can say goodbye to them.
No, please don't do that.
It's your own fault.
No! You're so cruel.
Oh, but I think I'll keep the 14th iPhone.
Ha, I don't really need a smartphone that much. Well, suit yourself. Naive Mr. Green underestimates me. Wow, so cool. Maybe you can get a smartphone for me too? What? What do you take me for? Of course I can. Wait a second. Here you go. I found the How to Break Out of Jail video with life hacks. Wow, that's a nice life hack. Especially for prisoners. 3D tattoo machines. You just tattoo an object and it ends up in your hands. We should order one of those.
Oh! Girls, I have something for you. It's a stylish new accessory for prisoners. The latest thing.
Ouch, that hurts. Looks like we're stuck. We can't get out of here now. Let us go.
This is my new handcuff earring prank. You inspired me to create my YouTube channel. Do you think I should let them go or make a funny TikTok video with them? Write your answers in the comments. Bye!